Good afternoon and welcome to News 9. I'm Nolan Pinto. Now, the girl students of the Government Pre-University College at Balmata have been denied entry into their college premises. The ban has been imposed by Joseph, the principal of the college. The ban came after the students reportedly took part in a protest march condemning atrocities against women. For more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Arun. Arun, why are these students being punished?
Nolan, this particular protest march apparently happened yesterday in Bangalore, and a lot of these students were invited. In fact, this was done by some of these student organizations. But what seems to have transpired is the fact that these girls who are studying in the PUC, Government PU College at Balmata, seem to have simply slipped away from their college without taking the prior permission of either the principal, Joseph, or the staff or the faculty members. And they went and participated in the protest march. So this morning when they came to attend classes, they were actually banned from attending classes as a kind of a punishment by the principal. There seems to be some logic behind the principal's argument, because he says that if any untoward incident had taken place during the protest march, then the can would have had to be held by the faculty and most importantly the principal, and thankfully enough nothing untoward happened. So he kind of banned the entry of the girl students. But curiously enough, what seems to have happened is after the media got wind of the unique punishment that the principal was giving, and most of them rushed to the college to talk or interact with the students, suddenly it seems the college administration, particularly the principal and staff members, were seen trying to ask the girls come out, go into their classes and not stand outside. But then the girls were able to sense the fact that this was a kind of a last-minute action on the part of the principal, and they seem to have then protested and said that we do not want, or we don't want this kind of a welcome, when in the first place you had punished, but because of the fact that the media was arriving at the scene of the action, you have decided to ask us for your permission, and you allowed us to attend classes. So they have protested, and today there were no classes, but clearly an interesting kind of a face-off between the college management and the students. In fact, there is a bit of a merit in what the management has had to say, because remember, at this point of time we are seeing a trend where atrocities against women, particularly in the state, has been on the rise, and the principal only had perhaps the well-being of the students in his mind rather than anything else, Nolan.
Right, Arun, thank you very much for all that. In fact, this ban came after the students reportedly took part in a protest march condemning atrocities against women. The march was organized on Thursday, but the principal defended his action, saying that the girls participated in the protest without obtaining neither his nor his staff's permission. He said that if any untoward incident had taken place, he would have been held accountable.